Okay, this is a really cool trick. This is a way to write a logarithmic equation in exponential form, equivalent exponential form, or how to write an exponential equation in an equivalent logarithmic form. And to do this, I've set up this table, and I've listed some logarithmic equations on the left, and I've listed some exponential equations on the right, and then I left some blank boxes for us to go back and fill in to write the equivalent forms. Now, if you get this thing situated right, it's super easy to remember how to do this. I like to say, use the butterfly wings. Use the butterfly wings. So whenever you have a logarithmic expression and you want to change it into an exponential equation, be sure that you have the logarithmic equation written so that the log appears first, then the equal sign, and then the number part's on the other side. Whenever you're changing an exponential form into a logarithmic form, be sure to write your exponent, your base with the exponent on the left side and then equal to the number on the right side. And if it's not like that, just flip it backwards whenever it's given to you. And then it's really easy to use the butterfly wings to do the translation to the different forms. So let's start with the first line where it says log base 2 of the number 32 is equal to the exponent 5. Now you'll notice every time I say that, I identify each of the pieces. It helps me remember what each of the pieces is, what each piece is. Okay, so let's draw the butterfly wing. For the logarithm, we're changing to exponential form, and I start my butterfly wing down at the base 2, and I go dot, 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 dot to the exponent 5. So it's base 2 raised to the dot, dot, dot exponent 5 equals the number 32. Let me say it again. It's base 2 dot, dot, dot raised to the exponent 5, and then the rest of the butterfly wing dot, dot, dot is equal to the number 32. So how do I write that in exponential form? It's base 2 raised to the exponent 5 equals the number 32. Now, let's go down one row and let's change the exponential 5 to the third power equals 125. Let's rewrite that in an equivalent logarithmic form. We're going to make butterfly wings again. We're going to start with the base 5. Well, we start by writing the word log. That's a good place to start. You know you're going to change that to log form, so start by writing the word log. Now go back and make the butterfly wing. Start with the base 5, dot, dot, dot. Okay, base 5 raised to, let's see, base 5 of the log base 5 of the number 125 dot, dot, dot equals the exponent 3. Let me say it again. We're going from exponential to logarithmic form. Log base 5 dot, dot, dot of the number 125 dot, dot, dot equals the exponent 3. So we write on the left side, log base 5 of the number 125 equals the exponent 3. Now you'll notice that the base is subscripted here. Everything else is on the same line as the word log, but the base itself is written small and subscripted below the line. Okay, let's go to the next row. We have log base 10 of the number 1000 equals the exponent z. So draw the butterfly wing from the base 10 raised to the exponent z equals the number 1000. Base 10 to the exponent z equals the number 1000. Okay, next row. Next row is a problem. Y equals a to the z. I want to see the exponent on the left and the y on the right. I always want it in that form so I can draw my little butterfly wing. So I'll just change it. I'll flip it around and write it as a to the z equals y. And now I'll make my butterfly wing from the base a. Okay, remember, we're going to log form, so you start with the word log. Log base a of the number y is equal to the exponent z. Log base a of the number y is equal to the exponent z. Okay, let's go to the next row. Log base a, okay, of the number x equals m. Now we're going to write this in exponential form, so it's base a dot, 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 raised to the exponent m, dot, 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 equals the number x. A to the m is equal to x. And for the last line, we see the last row is base a raised to the x minus 1 equals n. That's in the proper form. I have the exponential on the left, the number on the right. So now I'm ready to do my butterfly wing, and we're converting to log form. So start with the word log. Log base a dot 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 of the number n equals the exponent x minus 1. Okay, so study that for a while and get used to the idea of having this in the form where you can easily sketch in your little dot, dot, dot butterfly wings and do your translation from log form to the equivalent exponential form, or from exponential form to the equivalent log form.